Hello. Okay, cool. All right, good morning. Another day. Today's Friday, so make it a good one. Yesterday we took a couple losses. Let's see if we can end the week uh, with profit. We're down basically $100. We're down almost $100 for the account. Let's see if we can end the week profitable. If not, I don't want to force anything, so we'll just see. So right now, I see a good support level here. It seems like we're like pretty overbought right now. Seems like we're pretty overbought. So I don't know how I feel about taking buys, but sells for sure. If we break this area here, go for like a 20-point stop like that. So about 5 contracts with a 20-point stop. And we're going to do the same thing if we go long. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. We also have another zone right here that we got to look out for. Right around this level right here. That we might run into some issues. And then we have our main area here. But we're going to be getting out like 1 to 2 like we always do. But if we break this area, if we break this support here, we might sweep these lows down here. So we'll see. The goal today is just to do a 1 to 2. So we'll see. Okay, so if we go bullish, if we do take buys, I want to see a crazy bullish run because the longs are they're kind of risky, just because we're like look at this, we're like at an all-time high right now. It's crazy. So I don't like taking buys when it's an all-time high because it's super risky. But I mean, if we get pressure to the upside, then we gotta just follow our trading plan and take it. But that's what I'm looking at for nasdaq. Yep, for nasdaq. If we get a good breakdown here, we'll write it down TP2. We might get a little iffy here. But the good thing is that it'll be our TP1. We'll move stops to break even and we'll be good. So I'm going to check YM. Okay, let me remove all the drawings. And YM looks, oof. YM looks really, really bad. To be honest, I hate the way it looks. Maybe the 5-minute looks a little bit better, but still, oh my. It looks really ugly. Really ugly. Horrible. For this, I'd rather play it safe, and if it breaks, man, like if it breaks here, we could potentially come down here, but then we would probably, it just looks ridiculously bad. Maybe if we break down here. And for buys, I completely hate the buys. I just don't like YM at all right now. We have 5 minutes till the open. Honestly, I don't like the buys at all for YM. It looks really ugly. And like I said, I don't want to force anything today. So I probably won't take any buys on YM today. But I could potentially take a short if we break this level down here. $15-point stop. 1 to 2. So about 2 contracts. Something very light for YM, which is good, which is real good. It'll be like $150 trade. I would want to take it off the break of here, but I just don't. I'd rather just wait for it to break here. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. YM just looks really, really bad to me, like extremely bad. But I'm gonna monitor it over here on this side. Okay. Hopefully this doesn't break right now, because if it breaks now, this trade will be invalidated. I'll just wait for the breakdown here. Plus, I like this break a lot better. I do like, if we break down here, we can definitely get a better risk to reward, better trade if we wait for this one. This one is still good, still nice. It's just a little riskier, but hopefully it doesn't break right now. Hopefully it breaks after the New York Open. Market's about to, holy cow. Damn, this is going crazy. Getting a lot of volume. Looks like we might break here at YM. If we break, I might take this short. YM is going crazy right now. Nasdaq not so much, but YM is definitely getting a lot of bearish pressure. We've been like messing around with our entry area. I just hate that freaking wick that's sitting right next to it. I know you guys can't see it, but if I take a short, I'll move the screen over here and I'll show you guys the trade. We're getting close on YM. I just really hate that freaking candle wick, man. Nasdaq is pushing up. Oh
Order
no!
filled.
Holy cow! I need to go break even on this. This thing, I'm out.
Order
I'm
filled.
out on this. I'm out on this. This thing just like melted. It hit TP2, but that was just so fast. I had to get out on this trade. I had to get on this trade. I'm just gonna look for a better trade. That happened way too fast. Way too fast. I got out. I got in on TP1, and no, I was in and out of that so fast. I had a feeling it was gonna melt too, and I didn't take it just because, man, that one was crazy. That one was crazy. I'm only made like $74 on that, but let's see if we can get a push on Nasdaq. Market is going crazy right now. I don't even know if it's be good to trade. Um, but that was wild. I'll do a recap on why. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. YM is pushing like crazy right now. Oh Lord. Jeez. If I would have got in at the perfect time, it hit YM basically hit TP4 right now. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna monitor Nasdaq on this side. Look at YM go. Look at this. I was trying to take the short here. I was trying to take the short up here. But when I filled in way down here, like almost close to TP1, and it was just like going crazy. So I had to get out. Otherwise, I would have gotten stopped out at break even regardless. But look at YM, man. Look at it. This thing's freaking melting, bro. Like big time melting. Almost TP5. I'm not gonna trade this. This is just way too crazy right now. I guess I could have took another trade here, but it's kind of risky because we're like melting. I saw it moving and I was like, wait, like, let me hold off a little bit. And then when I was like, okay, let me enter it, freaking went straight to TP1, man. That was crazy. I had to have get out. Like it entered me like right here. It literally entered me like right there. I had to get out. Otherwise, it would have just came back and stopped me out. But hopefully, we get a good push from Nasdaq. I'm just gonna leave it here on YM because I really don't care about. I mean, on Nasdaq because I really don't care about YM anymore. The move already happened, which is unfortunate because we missed it, but it's all good. Look at YM, bro. That thing melted, bro. That thing melted. That's crazy. Damn, bro. That could have been us. That could have been us. What's up with Nasdaq? Why is Nasdaq not doing anything now? YM is going crazy. Nasdaq is still, I mean, YM is still pushing down. We could have easily caught a trade still, but man, it's just so risky. It's completely just falling off the planet of the earth right now. This thing's crazy. I think it hit like a 1 to 10. We're just gonna wait for Nas. Hopefully we can get the same thing for Nasdaq, and we can get a good sell. Hey, what's up, Ford? Damn, I haven't seen you in a while. What's good, Ballhead? What's up, bro? I just realized you were in the chat, but can you get in this on PS5? Nah, bro, you can't. You gotta get on Topstep. Get on your PC, sign up for Topstep. Bro, you guys want to see what YM is doing right now? Look at this. YM fell to the bottom of the earth. I was trying to get in here. I got in around here. I got out like right here just because it was whipping back and forth, and then it freaking melted. Nasdaq's just being very slow. I like the shorts better because we have this trend line for the upside. So I do like the shorts better. Probably gonna be a lot of waiting. Jeez. Looks like we could get a trade here. We'll see. I want to see a good strong push to the downside, breaking that level. Then I will think about shorting. It's like we want to get some good bearish momentum here. So we'll see.
Unknown caller.
Looks like we're going to have to continue to be patient. It'll probably happen on the next candle. So we'll see on the next 15-minute candle. This week I missed like 3 trades from YM, man. I missed 3 good solid trades from YM, one from Nasdaq, just because the volume kicked in so fast. But then I hesitate. I hesitate on the entry, so it's like right when I see it like going crazy, like I hesitate because I don't want it to go against me. And every single one of the ones that I hesitated hit TP too. Every single one. But there's been times where when I hesitate, it saves me. So you know, just is what it is with trading, I guess. Hopefully, on the next 15-minute candle, we can break these lows and ride it to the downside. That'd be very nice. But we're not getting any volume for Nasdaq, which is weird. Next 15-minute candle's coming in about 10 seconds. I might take a very small position here on YM if we break this low with some power. Very small. Watching it very closely. Nasdaq is really not doing anything, dude. Like, what is going on? So far this week, YM dominated this week. Trading, if you traded just YM alone this week, you freaking killed it in the market for sure. YM might sell off here.
Order filled.
I'm going in. Ooh, that's really not a small. It's really not a small trade. I thought I was going small. Okay, we're up. We're going break even on YM. We're about to hit, we just hit TP1, so we're risk-free trade. Let's see if we can hold it to TP2. We're about to hit TP2. We just hit TP2, guys. Oh, we're about to hit TP2. I'm securing a $100 profit. We're going to ride it. We're just going to leave it alone. Not going to touch it. 190. We almost hit that TP2. We're about to get stopped out here.
Order filled.
Okay. That's fine. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. We're up 171 for the day. That was a good trade. We almost hit TP2 and then we got reversed on. So it's all good. We're up $74 profit back on the account. We could stop trading here. I'm going to stay on the chart for like another 20 minutes or so, see if we can catch a trade on NASDAQ. But other than that, it was a good trade. It was a 30-point stop. We should have gone a little smaller, but we wanted to play it safe because we have been dropping for a while. We did a 5-minute trade. We could have put our stops 20 points. 20 points would have been perfect too. Oh, if we would have got a 20-point stop, we would have hit TP2 easy. Okay, well, I'm done with YM for sure. We at least caught one trade off of YM. Brought the account back from negative into profit. So I'm happy about that. Let's see if we can. I still want to see if I can catch a trade on NQ for the day. I really love this short, and that's what I really want to enter. That'd be a perfect trade. So we're gonna see if we can get this short. Might get some good bearish volume here. I'm only taking one more trade no matter what. One more trade no matter what. That's it. One more trade no matter what. Oh, we'll see. Nasdaq, what are you doing today, bro? What are you doing? Got 5 minutes for the next 15 candle. We took one trade on YM. That was insanely nuts. We missed out twice. We missed out on one trade on YM, and then we took the second one, and it completely melted. Um, and YM is still going crazy, dude. Like that's crazy. We took a short right here. We had a 30-point stop. We would have hit that $400 marker if we would have just held YM. It was just, man, YM was just going crazy though. It was kind of hard to really predict. Plus, I kind of like was messing. It was kind of messing with my emotions. I went break even too fast, and then I moved my stops to take profit $100, and then I got it stopped me out at a stop profit of 100. So and then now I would have hit 400. So but it's all good. I'm up for the day 171. So that's good. Just so technically we'd be closing out the week still green. But I do want to take at least one more trade. It's just I want to see a lot of volume come in from Nasdaq. So far, it's just been consolidating here. But I'm only gonna stay on the stream for like another 15 minutes, and then if I don't get anything in the next 15 minutes, I'm gonna lock out. I'm okay with this, so we'll be good. I'm okay with just this one small win for the day, and we'll be good. I do prefer shorts on Nasdaq though than I do buys. Look at this. Look at all this. This is crazy. This is the thing about trading is trading can be very boring, but it's very rewarding if you're patient. This will probably be my last 15-minute candle. So the next candle is going to be my last 15-minute candle. So if we're still consolidating in the next 15 minutes, then I'm off. I'll take my small win for the day, lock out, and be done for the week. And then we'll try to hopefully next week. It's a good week. We're eligible for a payout. It's just we're eligible for a payout right now. It's just that we haven't built a buffer yet. Like we have been bouncing back and forth between break even and a couple $100, which is not enough. I need to build a good buffer before I can make my withdrawal. But hopefully by the time I build the buffer, I would have passed the other 3 or 4 combo. Oh shit. What the hell was that? That was crazy. We might get a little something here. We're just going to watch this break. Let's see if we can get a good, nice trade here. If we get more bearish momentum, we break that candle low. This candle low right here, we're gonna enter for a trade. That's if.
Order filled.
Oh my god, I got in way too early. Way too early, but we'll see. Way too early. I hate this trade. I absolutely hate this trade. Did I get out? I don't like this candle wick. I'm just gonna hold it. It is what it is. Once we hit TP1, I'm gonna go break even, and then we're just gonna hold off from there. So I'm gonna throw my fib at it. I hate this trade, man. We completely just got faked out for sure. But you see how I was telling you earlier, like sometimes like when I saw it messing around, I would hesitate, and on YM it would have worked out my favor. On Nasdaq's just been playing around lately, bro. Nasdaq has been completely playing around with me. I try to take a risk there and just go for it, and it seems like it might not work out in my favor. I'm still in the game. I'm still gonna hold. It's literally just BSing right now. Let's see if we can break this. Oh, no, I'm gonna hold. I'm in already. We're getting a crazy support. We're not breaking through it. I'm reducing my risk. $100. Let's go. If it takes me out, it takes me out. I'm done. If it takes me out, it takes me out, and I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Keeps giving me the opportunity to get out. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. That's it. I'm done. Unless we push down, we'll see.
Order
Okay, I'm back
filled.
in. Okay. Same thing. $100. $100 risk. Very tight. Let's see if we can get this last push. It seems like it wants to drop, so I'm cool with losing $100.
Order filled.
And we're out, bro. We're out. Completely out. I would have lost $100 anyways on that. It's Friday. We're ending the account negative $22, so we're good. Not terrible. Man, NASDAQ, you pissing me off, man. Oh, you better not drop right now. I'm going to give it one more chance. You break this low down here. One more chance, and that's it. That's all you're going to get from me. We have to break this low here, though. Trying to mess with me, NASDAQ? You messing with me right now, bro?
Order filled.
Okay, last trade. We're trying it. Last trade of the day. Seems like we're getting a good push. I'm going to follow my trading plan. As soon as it gets to right around this area here, I'm going to go break even and I'm just going to ride it and we'll see what happens. Seems like, I mean, we broke this level here, so maybe it might come back up to retest. We don't know. It is what it is. I wish I would. I guess if I was still into my same, if I was still in the just holding it from here would be damn near TP1, but not good. Nasdaq's really like messing with me right now. This is for sure the last trade. Oh, I think we're out. It's gonna get us out. man, Nasdaq, you messing with me right now, bro. You literally legit messing with me right now. I should have just held. I should have just held right here because our stop loss would be way up here. But I mean, my stop loss on the 1 minute chart is not terrible. This is what the 1 minute chart looks like. So my stop loss is like above these highs right here. I'd want it to be a little bit higher up here, like in this area right here. But I mean, it's not, my stop loss is not in a terrible spot. We're just gonna hold this, and we're gonna just wait. All I need is a TP1 so I can move my stops to break even. Once I move my stops to break even, risk-free trade, and that's about it. So let's get some good volume here, man. I might put my stop loss to break even a little bit earlier just because we might get some crazy bounce off this level here. So we're just looking for a good push down. Come on, a good push down. You're literally messing with me right now, bro. Push down. I'm going to reduce my risk to $100 again, just because we've already moved down low. And all right, I'm going break even. Risk-free trade. I'm just gonna hold. I'm just gonna legit hold from here and just ride it out. If it comes back to break even to take me out, that's it. I'm done. I don't know. I no longer want to be in this trade. The volume is just like dying out here. So we might get stopped out here. I hope we don't. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. I do love where my stop loss is. So if we break this high, actually I'd rather prefer my stop loss being up here, bro. How much is that? $100? Okay. I'm gonna put my stop loss right here, and we're gonna call it a day. Trading the 1 minute, just scaling down. My stop loss up there does make sense. It does make sense. So I no
Order
longer.
filled.
Yep. Okay. I'm done. I'm done. $123 loss? That's crazy. What the hell? Oh yeah, because my original. Okay. Cool. All right, I'm done. That's fine. Small loss. Small loss for the day. I'm done. Lock me out. Lock me out on all my accounts. Oh shit. What the hell? Did I forget to? Oh shit. Well, that's cool. I forgot to I forgot that I stopped. Wow. I forgot that I wasn't copy trading my other account, so I really only took a loss on one account, but it was a very small loss. I'm gonna lock out of all of them anyways, just because there's no point of trading anymore. We already took our losses. And I really don't want to come back in here to revenge trade. So we're out. We're out on that. We're good. NASDAQ, you literally screwed me this whole week, bro. This whole week you screwed me over. We would have hit a 1-to-1 if we would have held this. It's all good. Took a small loss. So this is our performance stats for this week. Not good at all. We're basically just been break even. Basically just break even. We're down $123 on the account. We were up about like 70, I think it was for the account, but we were trying to. I was low key trying to force a trade. Low key. It's just YM gave us a really good trade. I should have just stopped trading from there. But like look at all these wicks. Nasdaq's just being just like crappy, bro. Check out YM, man. YM, if I would have just stuck in YM here on this trade right here, this would have been a huge move. I took another trade here. We were messing around. It would have hit a 1-2. I only hit like a 1-1. I think it was something small. But it's all good. Damn, bro. I really thought we were gonna end the week really good. I'm eligible for a payout. I need to build a buffer, like a good big buffer. But like I said, it's only a small loss on the account. We're only down $123. So but yeah. Anyways, all right. See you guys next week.